Good morning, grade 10. This is Mrs. Pascale. Today's lesson is chapter 10, section 10.1, the Pythagorean Theorem, part 3. The objective of this section is to identify right triangles. We will identify a right triangle using the converse of Pythagorean theorem that states if any triangle has sides A, B, and C, where the relation between the sides is defined by A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, then this triangle is a right triangle. So using the converse of Pythagorean theorem, if we can find this relation A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, we can deduce that the triangle is a right triangle. Example 1. Identifying a right triangle. Which set of lengths could be the side lengths of a right triangle? Part A, 6, 24, 25 inches. To identify if the three sides represent the sides of a right triangle, we should start by squaring the highest value, our longest side, which is 25. So 25 squared is equal to 625. Then we need to calculate the sum of the squares of the two remaining sides. So we get 6 squared plus 24 squared is equal to 612. Since the two amounts are not equal, then the three sides are not the sides in a right triangle. In part B, the sides are 10, 24, and 26 inches. As we said, we need to start by squaring the longest side. So 26 to the power of 2 is equal to 676. Then we need to calculate the sum of the squares of the two remaining sides. So 10 squared plus 24 squared is equal to 676. Since the two calculated amounts are equal, we can say that by using the converse of Pythagorean theorem, the three sides represent the sides in a right triangle. So between the two choices A and B, choice B is correct. Another application, example 2, determine whether the given length can be the side lengths of a right triangle. The given lengths are 12, 35, and 37. So we need to start by 37. Calculating the square of 37, we get 1369. Then calculating the sum of the squares of 12 and 35 square, we get 1369. Since we have 37 square is equal to 12 square plus 35 square, then using the converse of Pythagorean theorem, the sides are sides in a right triangle. Example 2, the three sides are 15, 36, and 39 feet. So start by 39 square is equal 1521. Then calculating the square of 15 and the square of 36, we get 1521. Since we have 39 square equal to 15 square plus 36 square, so using the converse of Pythagorean theorem, the three sides are the side lengths of a right triangle.